Good morning students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and healthy, so take care. Thank you so much for watching my previous video, and let us proceed with the next lecture. And the next topic I have chosen is for class 10th, reflection. Already written material I had uploaded in my videos, but now reflection once again I have chosen, and I will be showing you something very important because very few points I had uploaded. So this is all about reflection. Reflection we all have seen from the very childhood. You will ask, how sir? Listen, we all used to see the mirror early in the morning. Whenever we see mirror, we notice one thing. See, like if mirror is here, this is mirror, this is the printed part, and we are standing this much away from the mirror. We are standing here. Let us assume we are here. Okay. So if we are here at point A, so in the same way, this we can say as origin, we will get our image, the distance equal to the distance this side. We are standing here. The image will be formed this side, just equal the distance we are standing this side. Image will be formed this side, just equal distance from this origin. So this distance and this distance will be same. So this will be the image A dash. Okay. I hope we all are familiar with this. Whatever the distance of ours will be from the mirror, the same distance is going to be the image for ourselves in the mirror. This is the quality of mirror. Okay. Now, we have so many points in mathematics reflection. We have a lesson in physics also, reflection and refraction. Here we are discussing about reflection in maths because we have to find some coordinate points with the help of reflection. Some points will be given and we need to find another point after reflection in the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis we all know very well. In class 7th and 8th we have studied. This is x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. I hope we all know that. And this is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This first quadrant has positive and positive, that is plus plus. This is minus plus, this is minus minus, and this is plus minus. So we all need to remember these four things. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. First quadrant, everything is positive, axis and ordinate. In second quadrant, minus plus. In third quadrant, minus minus. And in fourth quadrant, plus minus. Now, if we have to get some points and the reflection is being done through x-axis or through y-axis or through origin, some invariant points also be there. Invariant point means there will be no change after reflection in any point. So what they will be? Listen carefully. Now, the first point I have written here is reflection in x-axis. Reflection in x-axis means if we have x-axis and y-axis, and let us assume we have a point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now, the first topic I have written is reflection in the x-axis. So let us take a point, and this point I have taken is 2, 2. Let us assume. So if we have a point 2, 2 and we have to get the reflection in the x-axis. Reflection in the x-axis means the x-axis will be our mirror in front of which the point is there. That means you can assume yourself also that you are here and where your image will be if you are here and this is the mirror. This x-axis is the mirror, you are here. So in front of mirror we will get our image here. At the same distance from the point this. So if this distance is 2, this distance will also be 2. So this point will be, because this is first, second, third and fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant we will get a point, and this point will be, see, 2, 2, but in fourth quadrant we have x, that is abscissa 2 plus 2, and ordinate is minus 2, so minus. Remember one thing, if we have x-axis reflection through x-axis, any point is there, so after reflection the new point will be plus minus. Basically most of the times it will be plus minus, abscissa plus, ordinate minus, if it is at the positive side. If it is at this side, so the value will be in minus minus, because it will come in the third quadrant. Listen carefully. Now reflection in y-axis, let us take one more example. Now if we have any point like 2, 3 here, point P, let us take it point P, so it will be P dash. Now point P is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus. Listen. So if we have a P point 2, 3, and now reflection in y-axis, x-axis, then it was the so reflection in y-axis. Y-axis means y-axis will be the mirror. Now this is the mirror and we are standing here. This is our point. So reflection through y-axis, that means this point will come this side, not this side, because our mirror is here. This is the mirror. So P point will come this side at the same distance. The distance from here we have 2. So it will come at 2, and here. Equal distance. Distances will be same. So this point is going to be the reflecting point on y-axis, and this point is going to be minus 2, 3. See, this is minus 2 and this is 3. So after reflection in y-axis, if any point xy is there, the reflecting point will be minus x, y. See, minus 2, 3. So this is P, so this is P dash. Now, reflection through origin. What is the meaning of reflection through origin? If we have a point here, 2, 2, let us assume 2, 2, P, and this is origin. So after reflection through origin, always the point will come just opposite side. If it is here, it will come this side. If it is here, it will come this side. So 2, 2, the point will be here, minus 2, minus 2, and it will be P dash. So if reflection is through origin, any point is given. The point plus plus is given, it will be minus minus. So xy is given, it will be minus x minus y. If it is given this side, so it will come at the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is what? Plus minus. Second is what? Minus plus. Okay. So this is reflection through origin. This is reflection through x-axis, reflection through y-axis. Now, what do we mean by invariant points? Sometimes we keep the pen on the mirror and we do not get any change on the point. See how? Listen, if we have taken a point here, this is 3, 0, and we have to find the reflection through x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, x dash, y dash. If we have to get a reflection through x-axis of this point, now on the point is on the x-axis only, so where it will go? It will not go anywhere. So reflecting point will be invariant. That means there will be no change on this point. So P 3, 0 will remain so. So this is nothing very special. If any point is here and we have to get a reflection through y-axis, the point will remain so. If the point is on the axis, that means on the mirror, there will be no change.